Are you still working on your holiday shopping list and deciding what to get everyone? DIY expert Denise Wild is here with easy-to-love gift ideas that make everyone on your list feel seen and celebrated.
Yes, exactly.
Thanks for coming in.
What could be better?
Yeah. So these are practical and personal.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. So it's about, looking for, everybody on your list and doing something that's heartfelt and meaningful.
Okay.
So let's start off with a fun craft.
Okay.
These are some characters that I've put onto cardstock, and I'm going to have you create one here.
Okay.
So I've actually used cardstock and put it onto envelopes, and that way you can create these Christmas characters, holiday characters, and inside the envelope you can tuck a short note, a gift card, maybe a little bit of cash. It's just about, doing something personal, doing something fun, getting creative, and it's just a nice way to gift something. So I've done a little elf. You're working on a polar bear, and then a little reindeer. Yes. This guy's going to be able. Oh wait, this one isn't here, right?
Oh, that's the nose. Okay.
There we go. And if you want, so let's hold this up.
Okay.
You've got your little polar bear card here,
That's so
and then
cute.
you could even add a little smile, whatever you want to that.
Yeah. Okay. Let's add a smile. He is happy this morning.
Perfect. Yes.
There he is.
Okay, so next up, let's give something to the beauty lover on your list, somebody who needs a self-care moment. I know this is me, so anybody who's listening, just saying, let's put together a curated basket of, indulgent self-care items that she will love, that she'll be able to use.
Great idea.
The pièce de résistance is this Braun IPL Pro 5. It's an at-home hair removal device with incredible results, up to 2 years of smooth skin.
Wow.
It's really easy to use. You just shave, turn it on, and you permanently reduce hair regrowth. So it's breaking free from, the hassle of hair removal, from salon appointments, from ongoing costs. And it's just about, convenience in one sleek item. It also has a technology that auto-adjusts for your skin tone.
Really?
So it's really, really amazing. And that's available in-store and online at Shoppers, Drug Mart, beauty boutiques. It's about finding something thoughtful, meaningful, and giving something to someone that they might not buy for themselves, but you're actually saving time, thinking about them and giving them a great gift.
That's a great gift idea. What about memory maker?
Okay, so next up we have something that's going to be thoughtful that you can maybe gift to a godparent, grandparent, maybe that you can have at home on your own. So these are just little hand and footprints from children, and you can decorate them, add to them, turn this one into a reindeer. I don't know, how's that angle right there? That one is a reindeer. This one's just a little handprint. These are on Christmas decorations, and I've got one for you that we're going to do. So this is a handprint.
More glue gun fun?
Yes, more glue gun fun that we're going to turn into a Christmas tree. So let's add a star.
Oh, this is where the star
up on the
goes.
top. Yeah, this is the star that's going to go on. And then we're going to take little pom-poms and add them on to here, just to turn it into like the little decorations on your Christmas tree.
I love
so these
this
are
idea.
fun gifts that you can have your kids make and give out to family members. You could just keep it for yourself as a memento, or just good old crafting fun. Kids will love
the kids
this
involved. Yeah,
absolutely.
And now we have less than a minute. The tech savvy stuff.
Yes. So for the basically anyone on your list could upgrade their tech, whether it's a tablet or headphones, or my son loves his little leapfrog.
Nice.
The microphone is a lot of fun, but just something tech, keep them up to date, and a little upgrade or an extra item.
Wonderful gift ideas. Getting the kids involved is always a lot of fun as well.
And I like what you've done here.
Yeah, and
nice.
Picasso, move over because I'm here.